Welcome to the grand finale of Virtual Reality and Augmented Reality, Facts Beyond the Hype. We've journeyed through the captivating realms of VR and AR, exploring their applications, impact, and exciting potential. Before we conclude, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. Join us for the concluding Part 3 as we dive into the culmination of our exploration. Fact 1. VR and AR accessibility. Ensuring VR and AR experiences are accessible to all is a growing focus. From designing for various abilities to making these technologies more affordable, inclusivity is key. Fact 2. AR and entertainment and media. AR is transforming how we consume entertainment and media. From interactive advertising campaigns to overlaying information on live broadcasts, AR enriches our content consumption. Fact 3. VR travel and exploration. VR is revolutionizing travel experiences. Through virtual reality, users can explore distant destinations, historic sites, and even future architectural concepts without leaving their homes. Fact 4. Ethical considerations in VR. VR raises ethical questions, particularly around issues of consent, privacy, and psychological effects. As the technology evolves, addressing these concerns becomes crucial. Fact 5. AR for retail and shopping. AR is reshaping the retail landscape. Virtual try-ons, product visualization, and in-store navigation apps enhance the shopping experience, both online and offline. Fact 6. VR for empathy and understanding. VR's immersive capabilities enable users to step into the shoes of others, fostering empathy and promoting understanding of different perspectives and experiences. Fact 7. The intersection of VR and health. VR is impacting mental health treatment, exposure therapy, pain management, and cognitive rehabilitation. The merging of technology and healthcare holds transformative potential. Fact 8. AR museums and exhibitions. AR is enhancing the museum experience. Through AR apps, exhibits come to life, providing context, interactive elements, and a deeper connection to the content. Fact 9. The evolution of wearable AR. Wearable AR devices, like smart glasses, are evolving. As the technology becomes more streamlined and user-friendly, we're on the brink of a new era of augmented reality. Fact 10. The ongoing AR and VR revolution. As we conclude our journey, it's clear that the AR and VR revolution is ongoing. The fusion of physical and digital worlds is pushing the boundaries of what's possible and opening doors to new realms of human experience. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring voyage through the realms of virtual reality and augmented reality. If these insights have sparked your imagination, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. The journey doesn't end here. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the boundless possibilities of technology.